So I came directly in as a production unit manager with my background as a master's in chemical engineering. Previously worked in FMCG companies. What attracted me to Britvic was the location in the country. I'm from this area, but also it was a slightly smaller company with big family values, and that's what shined through to me, both on the website, but also in my interviews that I had here. Within my first year, it was all about my development into the role as a production unit manager. Being a first-time people manager, that was my biggest goal within my first year. This year, now understanding the role a lot more, I've recently done a green belt in Lean Six Sigma, which I've passed the other day, which was really good news. My future-wise, I'm quite open to what is available to me, but my background in engineering is potentially where I'd like to go in the future. My focus for the next 5 years is to develop within role, but my love and passion is around engineering and people development. I'd love to find a career within Britvic with those capabilities that I feel like I'm building, but whatever comes my way is I'm always up for the challenge. There's been lots of moments where I've been very proud in my role, obviously developing into the role. I took more of a jump than most people do into a production unit manager role. I would say I'm most proud of my recent project being around Greenbelt, where the aim was to reduce a fallen bottle, something that sounds quite simple, through statistical analysis, aiming for a 25% reduction and getting a 78% reduction in this issue, which has improved morale from a level of 1 on the line with non-value added activities to a 3 to a 4, where people are now wanting to be on the line a lot more versus wanting to move roles. So how I describe the buzz is the energy on the shop floor, the energy working with the operators, team leaders, engineers, but also all the cross-functional teams of quality, safety, CI, being on a background of sporting environments. That energy and teamwork is what brings me to work every day and always an aim to improve. So my day-to-day role within Britvic is looking after people, so having 40 indirect and 4 direct reportees, looking after the performance of 2 production lines. So I work on line 10, which is a fully aseptic line, and it's the only line in the business with that capability, as well as a large PET line doing stills and carbonates. Every day is different, every production plan from week to week is different, so there's always new challenges, but also the sustainability, or what we call the planet aspect, that there's always something new to get involved with. No day's the same. I could be on a call in the morning around a change of material for the future of the site, to in the afternoon having a conversation with an operator that wants to step up to be a team leader in the future. So very varied. Some of my proudest moments at Britvic are some of the campaigns that we've run. So recently we've had a golden can campaign where you could find a winning golden can within a packet of 24 Max or Max Cherry. Also, we've broken a lot of records on site. It's not just a specific line, it's a team effort through the 9 production lines we've got here. Also Lipton, which is specifically close to my heart, is one of my favourite drinks, but also the line I do work on is we've broken records in the highest volume that the company has ever seen, and this is a venture capital company combined with PepsiCo, Unilever and Britvic. So it's not just Britvic, it's Britvic and the supporting other companies around us. You do feel very attracted to the brands. You feel that you are responsible for the brands, even though if they're not made on the specific sites, that you just all link together.